Hello friends, so today we are going to show you the unboxing of this new mattress that we have bought from Amazon. It's a Springtek latex 6 inches 72 inches by 70 inches length and breadth mattress, and we are going to open it. We are going to do the unboxing for you, and we are going to show you how you need to do the unboxing and how this mattress looks, feels, and how it performs. So yeah, we are going to cut open the packaging from here. Okay, so we have received this blue dart. So this is the outside packaging. You can see this white color package. It has Springtek written on it. Let's open it. It's quite heavy. I think it weighs around 30 kgs approximately. Okay. Now we're going to cut this one open. It's a Thermocol packaging. The packaging looks good. Okay, I'll just put this aside. Now this is the third layer, quite strong. Now this is a plastic layer. Now this mattress has around 3 or 4 layers. This has a latex layer of 2 inches, a HR foam layer, and this also has springs, small, they say approximately 1000 springs in one of the layers, which gives you good cushioning and comfort. Now I'm just going to cut this one open. Can you show here? I think there's some little damage. Oh, now this is a damaged piece that we have received. I think this is something that we have to now bring it to their notice. As you can see here, can you see this part? This is damaged. See, you see it? Okay, no use opening it now because this is a damaged piece that we have received. This has to be returned back. We cannot take it, and we'll have to file a complaint to Amazon and to Springtek. Can you just bring the camera closer and you can just show it here? See, this one is damaged. This has a cut on it. Okay, I think we need to close the video here now and then. It is unfortunate that we've received a damaged product which has to be returned. Okay, a lot of inconvenience because I ordered this product on 6th of October. I was supposed to receive it between 10th and 14th, and I received it today on 16th night after multiple follow-ups with Amazon and Springtek and with Blue Dart, and the product that has been sent to me is a damaged product. Very bad, very sad. Let's see what Amazon and Springtek will do about it. Thank you guys.